I'm getting hit. I got hit. Fish on. Barra ready, guys. Oh shit. Barra, as I drop my line, guys. Woo. Look at this, guys. Pushing out this evening again, guys. I was out this morning, hooked up 3 lovely tarpons this morning, and they apparently got away. But going back at it again this evening, guys, got a spot that I've been meaning to check out. I'm gonna do some more wade fishing. That means I'm gonna get wet in the water again. So stay tuned, guys. Epic adventure this evening. Jamaican shore fishing's at it. Pushing out content hard this month, guys. Trust me. I got you. I gotta be cutting trails and getting in this place. I just seen a crab run in the hole a while ago. Crab bush down here, bro.
On the side, you know, and the goat in the water same way.
Yeah. If I had known you was on drop line, I thought you said you was lure fishing. Where are you going so far? Wade fishing adventure, guys. Making sure fishing level. I had to clear my pockets to make sure I don't have my car keys. I have none of this stuff in my pocket here. How old does I try to reach, you know? Eh? You just gotta make sure there's no crooks. Yeah, bro. And how deep this water goes. Water's getting deeper here, getting to knee. That's good. Wade fishing at a test, guys. Huh? Yes, good. I'm up to kneecap. The grass is tall right here. Now we get to the top of the reef. Huh? And there's a drop off right here. Oh shit. getting hit. I got hit. Fish on. Barra. Barra ready, guys. Oh shit. Barra. As I drop my line, guys. Woo. Look at this, guys. Look at him. Oh shit, he shook it. He shook it. He shook it as the line dropped, bro. Woo. Oh man. As the line dropped. Today's my getaway day. Today's my fish getaway day. 3 tarpons and a barracuda get away from me today, guys. Cruising out here, guys, on the edge. I got hooked by a big barrel a while ago. Guys, where you going? You know, come out here. You ain't coming out here? The barrels are hanging out here, bro. I just seen another one move. Getting hit. Too much grass, guys. I gotta get out a little bit further on this reef edge. I got hooked a nice sized barrel a while ago, guys. I just gotta be careful going out here, guys, with these rocks and hitching up. Ooh, hook almost flew my face. Damn it. I gotta switch to a top water lure out here now, guys. Definitely gotta switch to a top water. This is not working for me at all. Huh? Yeah, bro, I gotta switch to a top water because I keep on getting hitched up on the low stuff. You gotta be careful, guys. Top water action, guys. See you. Jamaican shore fishing. Look where we at. Out in the middle of the ocean, guys. I hooked that barra and haven't been able to hook anything else since. So stay tuned, let's see if we can get hooked up on something. We're still trying. Like I said, guys, look at this. We're out in the middle of the water. A good distance. It's crazy, right? Dice is right there. And it goes way out. But we're trying to just work along the edge here. It's crazy. Alright, that's it, Jamaican shore fishing. That's it for this evening's adventure, guys. One hook up on the barra and nothing else. Gave you the best that I got this evening. But that's it, guys. Sometimes you win, sometimes you fail. So, pick up yourself outside.